Patients experiencing tooth fear due to nighttime grinding and jaw clenching, it is advised to wear a night guard. When you do clench and grind your teeth during sleep, understand that your jaws are the strongest joint in your body. Extra force that being generated all night long can cause chipping of the teeth, fracture in your teeth, and also gum recession. In long term, it can be very difficult to fix those teeth. So, in order to protect your long term problem, it is advised to wear your night guard. A night guard is a device that is worn in your mouth overnight and create a barrier between your upper and the lower teeth, eliminating the damage that is caused from grinding your teeth.